Good morning, my low riders. It is Sunday morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, it's early in the morning on Sunday. Like I just said, I just dropped my husband off to the truck, and he has to go to the TA to put some gas in it. And guess what? I'm gonna be the nice little wife. I'm gonna take him some breakfast. I don't think it can do the truck up that quick. So yeah, I'm gonna do that at McDonald's. Thank you. Is that can you put cream and sugar in the bag?
No.
I need 4 creams, 4 sugars. I really need 8 creams, 8 sugars. But I'm gonna be good, you guys. I have been doing good and I have been losing weight too. Not on purpose though. I just didn't have, I guess, that COVID shit. I didn't have that COVID stuff. I'm trying not to curse. I didn't have thank you. I didn't have an appetite to eat. And I really still don't. Which is a good thing. But anyway, I'm gonna be, my throat is scratchy. Last night it was like hurting. It was like burning. And now it's still kind of burning a little bit, but it's scratchy. So I was gonna go to church, but I don't want to get nobody sick. I really don't. And plus, you know, when you have COVID and then you don't have it anymore, the slightest little cough, people looking like, that's that right there. So I don't want to be making anybody else feel uncomfortable. This thing say no U-turn, but guess what? Lowe's gonna do a U-turn. Lowe's gonna do a U-turn. Uh-oh. You guys, I have this thing on my car from my insurance company. It makes a sound anytime you put on a hard brake or harsh turn, and it just made the sound. I've had it on there for a few months now. They only have to have it for another couple of months. But it hardly makes ooh, the beeping sound. Ooh, ooh. So yeah, I'm home alone again. And most of the time I like being home alone. The only time I don't is when he's gone for a long, long time, and I'd be like this. Looking like it ain't nobody in this house for me. But anyway, you guys, I'll be back because I'm just rambling right now. Good morning, my low riders. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you would like to become a low rider, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Okay, you guys, it's Sunday morning and I've already been out and about. I took my husband to the truck and then I went to McDonald's and got me some coffee. Now I'm back home. I said I was gonna go to a gun show, but I said I didn't really feel like, being out and about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some laundry today and just chill at home until later. And that's about it. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do my laundry. Hey guys, wait, hold up. Hey guys, this is Vlogmas day, what is it, 17? 18. It's Sunday. And we just came from a nice little women's group, and I did not have much to vlog today, so I'm gonna add 18 along with 19 tomorrow, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Let me start that over. What's up, my low riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be a redo of a video that I did a long time ago on repairing my headboard. The last time I did it, I was like fairly new to YouTube, and I wasn't holding the phone properly, and it was moving, and a lot of people said, you were moving around too much, I couldn't see anything. So I said, let me redo this video for the people. And what I'm gonna be using to redo this headboard is, oh wait, oh no, that's not the right color. Oops. And I surely won't be putting it on there either. Hold up, 1 second. I have another one somewhere. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am back. I got the right color this time. So like I said, I ordered it from Amazon. And it's called Leather Repair. And this is all that comes with it, just the leather. Peels off, or pleather, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, I have to run all the way downstairs to get this. So yeah, this peels off. And this should be like almost, let me see. Let me get out of you guys' way. And I'm not holding the camera, so I'm not moving it. Okay.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, this is almost the exact square. I'm gonna lay down while I'm cutting it. But I'm trying to stay out of the way. Okay, now, let me see. Whoops. Maybe not. Maybe I cut that too short. Let me see. A little bit more over here. Yep, that should be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna stand up, you guys. So you guys see this. I'm gonna peel this off. Let me make sure before I get to doing stuff. Okay, it might be a little bit too long. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more off. Okay. Now I'm going to peel this off. You gotta see how it peels off. See? And then this little strip I'm going to put across the bottom because it wasn't long enough. And I'm going to tell you guys the reason that it comes off.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes. By creating an imaginary picture.
I think I'm going to get another little piece.
Usually it's something that moves.
Or over here. This right here. And it's super easy. I'm just in a rush right now. Not even really in a rush. I just want to get it done. And one of the reasons that it came off is because of the stuff that I cleaned the leather with. It has oil in it. And another reason is, for some reason, I get comfortable at the bottom of my bed, and this is my side of the bed. And when I'm laying, I have my foot up against that, so yeah, that's the other reason. And the third reason is my grandkids. Once they see it peeling off, they start messing with it. lighter strip down there. And it was very inexpensive. I can't tell you the price right now because I don't remember, but I'm very frugal, so I know it was not expensive. There we go, and voila. Can you guys even tell that I did something to it? Nope. So I keep these pieces just in case. I don't know how I did not open that other one. I just assumed that it was the right color, but it wasn't. And yeah, so one task done today. Let me put my pillows back on my bed. You guys, I could have left it like that, but y'all know me. Something ain't right. I just left my bed sitting up too high. If something is not right, I ain't gonna sleep at night. Okay, and that is that, you guys, for this. So now let me move on to sorting my clothes out. For laundry. First, let me set this up and do this right because I knocked it over. Got my remote, my glasses, my Carmex, pencil and pen, fingernail clippers, oxygen reader, all that on there. I know I got y'all cocked to the side. Just gave y'all something else to complain about. But anyway, you guys, I'm about to go and start sorting out my laundry. I haven't done laundry in about 3 weeks because we've been having family, I wouldn't say family issues, like a family emergency. My dad is in the hospital. A couple of months ago, he had got half of his foot amputated because he has diabetes. And then he got a bypass in his other leg because that leg started having bad circulation. And he caught COVID from a nurse in the first hospital he was in. I don't know which nurse, but it had to be a nurse or somebody in the medical field. So he came home on Thanksgiving Day, not knowing that he had COVID because they didn't test him. Nobody knew that he had COVID. And we said, cool, Daddy's out the hospital. We're going to go spend Thanksgiving in California with Dad. So with that being said, I went to Cali. And that's where most of all my family is actually, other than my kids. And I was just so happy to see my dad home and out of the hospital because he didn't want to be in the hospital. I'm just gonna do my laundry. I can't even talk about this right now, you guys. This is gonna have to be a whole nother video. So yeah, but I'm getting ready to do laundry. It's been piled up for 3 weeks, so yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna do a voiceover because I'm gonna speed this up. I did my laundry. I'm doing my laundry, and I'm going in there to sort my clothes out. I put my darks in my darks, my whites in my whites, and my other colors like beiges, yellows, and stuff like that all together. And I wash my towels separately from my clothes. And as you can see, this stuff is piled up. It's 3 weeks worth of laundry, you guys. 3 full weeks. And the hard part, to me, not even the hard part, the part that is the most tedious is sorting everything out. So as you can see, I'm sorting everything out. And once that's done, it's easy. And I usually start washing all of the dark colors first because there's always more of those than anything. So yeah, with that being said, I'm just sorting the clothes out right now. Okay, you guys, now I'm just putting some darks in the washer. And that's my blanket that my sister had made for me. And I'm going to wash that on a delicate cycle because I do not want to mess that up.
His audience into the scene he described.
I have no clue what I'm saying right here. I don't know, but whatever. About to add my detergent. Okay, you guys see this big old pile of blues? That pile is done. Okay, guys, I have to sit down. Because I got tired. I got real winded. Okay, I guess that's enough sitting. You guys, these Glade plugins, the cashmere woods, bomb. Favorite fragrance ever. Smells so good and they last a long time too. Come on, close on this wall, B. Okay, there we go. Got it in there. And yeah. And there's my little blue pile. And I buy the Glade thingies in the big pack. And I bought 2 more of these. Because I have one in every one, even in the bathroom. I'm going to take this downstairs, you guys. So I have one in my room. And I have one in the hallway. I just want every room in the house smelling super good. And that, it does. It smells so good, you guys. Got my room done. Started on the laundry. Downstairs is already done. The guest room's already done. The beauty room's already done. So I just have these 2 rooms to do. And I need to actually clean my bathroom, which is not a lot. So yeah, that's it. Am I going to clean the bathroom right now? Absolutely not. Might clean it tomorrow. Might not. It's not dirty. It's just stuff that I do on a weekly basis that I do not feel like doing right now. I did clean my bathroom on a weekly basis. I just did not do that laundry. So yeah. That is it, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I think I might go make some wigs. I don't know. Do I feel like making a wig? I don't know. I'm just all over the place right now, just thinking about my dad and just fasting and praying and knowing that God is able to do what he said he would do and could do. All that. Yep, all of that. Anywho, I'm going to get off this right now. And I'm adding yesterday's with today because yesterday I was just so mentally drained, depressed, and crying and stuff. And I even called myself getting out the house to make myself feel better. I went to a women's group. It was cool. I met I met a few new ladies. They're nice. They're really cool. It was a really cool group. The food was good. The drinks were good. And overall, it was just a real good meeting. It was a good vibe. It was a vibe for real. And I will never discuss what we talk about in our women's group because it's for that women's group. You want to know, come to the women's group, okay? If you're in Las Vegas. But, yeah, excuse me. That's what I did yesterday. And of course, I didn't vlog there because it's not everybody's business what we talk about. And I probably talked about a minute. So I'm going to put yesterday's little vlogs that I did along with this one. That was the 18th. This is the 19th, you guys. I've been so out of the loop. I didn't even know that Christmas was on Sunday. I thought it was next Sunday, which is New Year's. It just don't. With all that our family is going through right now, it does not seem like Christmas. And I barely got the Christmas tree put up. But yeah. That is it, you guys. That is it. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am finally getting these little icicles up that I have been wanting on my cabinet since I started doing Christmas decorations. And I'm trying to be so careful. And that one looked like it's too low, for sure. I'm trying to be so careful not to wiggle and jiggle myself off of this chair. And I know for sure that I did lose my balance a little bit. Don't laugh. Y'all's probably like, when she fall, I'ma laugh. I did not fall. Guys, I was going to let those stay low like that, but I just could not. So I had to redo those 2 that were low. Shorty got low. Finally, they're up. Let me clean my cabinets off. Not my cabinets, but my countertops off. And do all of that. And then I'm done. Also, I thought I was done. I looked at my kitchen. My husband left dishes in the sink and stuff. You guys, God damn it. You guys remember when I said I didn't have anything to do downstairs because everything was clean? Well, apparently not. My husband, he just left yesterday and he left a pan and dishes in the sink. So, I guess I have that to do right now too, you guys. All I'm gonna do is just wash these few dishes. But that's what I thought I was gonna do. I end up cleaning up the stove too, cleaning off the stove too, and doing all of that. So yeah, gonna speed this up too, y'all.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Headed back upstairs to do some more laundry, you guys.
So then, why?
Okay, you guys, I'm about to light my candles, sit down, work on the puzzle that me and my grandson started that we said we're going to get done before Christmas, and we will. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate you guys, and if you can, please keep my father in your prayers. Just say, pray for Loda's daddy, Lord. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Stay blessed.